I'm excited to share with you how you can extend the value of the Cyjax threat intelligence to your own platform with our new partnership with VerifiedThreat. This partnership allows the security team to continually monitor the full extent of the threat exposure on your estate from an external, outside-in, red team threat perspective. VerifiedThreat uses thousands of intelligent automated agents to find and test the actual vulnerabilities that attackers are using today, including the latest AI tools to find and discover vulnerabilities at machine speed. So let's take a real-world example, account takeover. You can see here all of the Cyjax threat intelligence is shown in blue. These are all the threat intelligence factors from Cyjax, all mapped to the MITRE attack framework, and these represent all the possible threats from the Cyjax threat data. VerifiedThreat then sends out its agents to verify if any of these potential threats can actually be exploited by external agents and actually represent a real tangible and quantifiable risk. When we overlay the complete attack surface, we can see now how the raw threats are being identified and specifically tested to show an active vulnerability in the live platform from a known attack vector. These are all color-coded by risk. So instead of dropping a generic low-context alert into an overloaded queue, the VerifiedThreat platform analyzes the full external attack surface, discovers the login paths and critical account takeover vulnerabilities, and starts to build a complete picture of all of the account takeover risks to provide clear evidence-based data that quantifies both the key risks as well as the progress to overall improvement and risk reduction that are made over time. You can see here the exact code is displayed showing the vulnerabilities, which can be checked on the logs or replicated. This helps to remove the alert fatigue and ensure the security team focuses on the real underlying priorities. Once multi-vector attack chaining uncovers definitive empirical proof of exploitability, bypassing the manual triage backlog entirely, the security team has verified evidential proof of the attack vectors along with the criticality of the underlying asset. Proven threat metrics combined with the known criticality of the asset ensures that verified threat alerts on just the real underlying high-risk assets and effectively removes false positives. Key risk indicators can then be set up to measure the progress to resolving the ATO and reducing the risks over time. The entire sequence of agent vulnerabilities is all logged into the risk register and mapped to the relevant regulatory frameworks, allowing the risk owner to finally manage the risks according to the organizational risk appetite. The agents are continually monitoring the attack surface and dynamically orchestrate according to the incoming threats. At each stage of the journey, the threat analyst can reference the Cyjax threat data along with the actual verified vulnerabilities shown in the code. Together, this makes a very powerful combination. You can ensure all threats are assessed and continually mapped to your own platform and standards framework, along with customized reporting to show demonstrable progress to reducing vulnerabilities over time.